As President and Chancellor of the Fiji College of Honor, I'm very honored and very pleased that we are able to eventually award Mrs. Shakuntala Singh today with the Medal of the Order of Fiji. Ma'am, congratulations to you. Now, Mrs. Singh's award was approved way back in 2016, but because of personal commitments overseas, she was not able to receive her award with the other recipients when we had the Investiture ceremonies over the last couple of months. And I'm most pleased today that we are now able to organize this investiture so that I could bestow this long overdue award on Mrs. Singh. And I apologize for the delay, but it's so nice to be able to do it today. Now, Mrs. Singh was nominated for an Order of Fiji Award in recognition of her contribution to the education sector, especially for individuals with special needs. In fact, Mrs. Singh was one of the pioneers of special education in the 1990s for people with disabilities in the Northern Division. Now, knowledgeable in basic sign language, she taught life skills to hearing-impaired children at Lambasa School for Special Education. Now, Mrs. Singh's dedication to teaching special needs individuals has contributed to enriching their lives with a can-do attitude and a strong belief that anything in life can be accomplished if you put your heart and mind to it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji Honours and Awards Act of 1995 recognizes individuals who contribute to Fiji's development as a nation in any field of endeavor. In your case, ma'am, education, special needs children. Now, since becoming Fiji's head of state, I have been promoting a culture of appreciation because I believe that this will inspire a sense of national unity, patriotism, and productive citizenry amongst our fellow Fijians. And I wish to particularly encourage the recognition of those who have contributed immeasurably across the whole range of human endeavor, including but not limited to government, local administration, industry, diplomacy, health education, law, arts, sports, religion, the news media environment, youth development, charity, and indeed all other areas in which service to the nation is identified. As a nation, Fiji should also consider those who have demonstrated great acts of courage in the face of adversity. Now, that being said, I congratulate you once again, Mrs. Singh, for your contribution to special needs of education in Fiji. Well done. May Almighty God continue to bless you and your family and the nation of Fiji and all Fijians. Thank you, Dhanavad, and God bless you.
Yes.
Thank you. Now it's time for voting.